IUPAC nomenclature of molecules with more than one secondary suffix in it. When we have more than one dissimilar functional group in the molecule, parent chain will be the longest carbon chain with the principal functional group. Principal functional group is the one which is of higher priority. While numbering the parent chain, principal functional group gets the lower number. If the principal functional group is a terminal functional group, then the lower number will be 1. To decide the higher priority functional group, order is carboxylic acid is highest priority, then comes esters, acid chlorides, amides, nitriles, aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, amines. Now the principal functional group will act as a suffix. Remaining functional groups will act as prefixes or substituents while giving the IUPAC nomenclature. This is the table which speaks about these functional group acting as suffix. These cases have already been discussed. When the same functional groups act as prefix, they take a different name. Most of these have already been discussed under the category special cases. But to repeat, when carboxylic acid sits as a prefix, it takes the name carboxy. With this word, carbon of the carboxylic acid group is included in the name. For esters, prefix name is alkoxycarbonyl or alkoxyoxo. When alkoxycarbonyl term is used, carbon of the esters is included. When we use the word alkoxyoxo, carbon of the carbonyl is not included in the name. For acid halide, prefix name is halocarbonyl or haloxo. In the same manner, when the term carbonyl is used, carbonyl carbon is included in the name. When oxo is used, carbonyl carbon is not included in the name. For amides, prefix name is carbamoyl or oxoamino. When carbamoyl is used, carbon of amide is included in the name. When oxoamino is used, it is excluded. Nitriles, prefix name is cyano. Carbon of the nitrile is included in the name cyano. For ketones, it is oxo. Carbon is not included in the name. For alcohols, prefix name is hydroxy. For amines, amino. For aldehydes, formyl or oxo. When formyl is used, carbon of aldehyde is included in the name. When oxo is used, it is excluded. Molecule has carboxylic acid and alcohol functional group in it. Carboxylic acid is the principal functional group, so this acts as suffix. OH will act as prefix. This is the parent chain, and since carboxylic acid is the terminal functional group, this carbon should be numbered 1. On fourth carbon, we have OH sitting as a substituent. So secondary prefix is 4-hydroxy. Root word is pent. Primary suffix is ane. Secondary suffix is oic acid. Since secondary suffix starts with the vowel, E of the primary suffix has to be eliminated. IUPAC name is 4-hydroxypentanoic acid. Whenever we have two terms in the basic name of the functional group, a space will be given while writing the IUPAC name. In this molecule, we have ketone and carboxylic acid functional group. Again, carboxylic acid is the principal functional group. This is our parent chain. Carbon of carboxylic acid has to be numbered 1. On fifth carbon, we are having double bond O sitting as a substituent. Name of this will be 5-oxo. Secondary prefix is 5-oxo. Root word is hex. Primary suffix is ane. Secondary suffix is oic acid. For the same reason, we have to drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC name is 5-oxohexanoic acid. In this molecule, ketone will be the principal functional group. In a cyclic system, lowest possible number to ketone is 1. On fourth carbon, we have 2 methyls sitting. So secondary prefix is 4,4 dimethyl. Primary prefix is cyclo. Root word is hex. Primary suffix is ene, which is present twice, so diene. Position of the double bonds is 2 and 5. So 2, 5 diene. Secondary suffix is -one. Since secondary suffix starts with the vowel O, E of the primary suffix has to be dropped. Since the primary suffix starts with the consonant D, we have to add letter A to the root word. So the IUPAC name will be 4,4-dimethyl cyclohexa 2,5-dienone. Molecule has carboxylic acid and ester functional group. Again, carboxylic acid wins over ester. This is our longest parent chain. If we start numbering from the carboxylic acid carbon, then we have ester sitting as a substituent on third carbon. We can name this prefix in two ways, either by using the term alkoxycarbonyl or by using the term alkoxyoxo. Alkoxy indicates the alcohol part of the ester. Here alcohol part is methoxy. This is carbonyl. So one possible secondary prefix name is on third carbon inside the bracket methoxycarbonyl. Another possible name is carbon which is attached to the parent chain will be numbered 1. On that carbon we are having oxo as a substituent. On the same carbon we are having methoxy as substituent. Since M comes first in the alphabetical order, while writing the secondary prefix, we write it as 3 hyphen inside the bracket 1 methoxy 1 oxo methyl. Root word is pent. Primary suffix is ane. Secondary suffix is oic acid. We have to drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC names will be 3-methoxycarbonyl pentanoic acid or 3,1-methoxy 1-oxomethyl pentanoic acid. Molecule has multiple functional groups in it: carboxylic acid, alkene, ketone, nitrile, ether, alcohol, halogen. Of all these, carboxylic acid wins and become the suffix. Remaining all functional groups will act as prefixes. This is the longest possible parent chain. Carbon of the carboxylic acid will be numbered 1. When OH sits as a prefix, it takes the name hydroxy, 10-hydroxy. OMe is always a prefix, name will be 8-methoxy. Cl is always a prefix, so 9-chloro. Nitrile, when it's set as a prefix, takes up the name cyano. Ketone, when it's set as a prefix, oxo. Now we have to arrange these prefixes in alphabetical order. First comes C. Between 9-chloro and 7-cyano, we should take the second letter and compare. 9-chloro wins over 7-cyano. So 9-chloro comes first, then 7-cyano, then 10-hydroxy. Between 8-methoxy and 5-oxo, 8-methoxy comes first, so fourth. 5-oxo, fifth one. Root word is undec because there are 11 carbon atoms. Primary suffix is "ene" and the double bond is at position 3, so 3-ene. Secondary suffix is oic acid. We have to drop the E of secondary suffix. IUPAC name will be 9-chloro, 7-cyano, 10-hydroxy, 8-methoxy, 5-oxo, undec, 3-enoic acid. Molecule has carboxylic acid, alcohol, alkene and aldehyde functional group. Because carboxylic acid is having highest priority, that will become the suffix. Remaining functional groups will act as prefixes. If we start numbering, when OH sits as a prefix, it takes up the name hydroxy. On 7th carbon, we have a carbonyl, so 7-oxo. Between hydroxy and 7-oxo, alphabetically hydroxy comes first. So secondary prefix will be 4-hydroxy, 7-oxo. Root word is hept. Primary suffix is 5-ene. Secondary suffix is oic acid. We have to drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC name will be 4-hydroxy 7-oxo hept 5-enoic acid. We know that aldehyde functional group can have one more prefix name, that is formyl. But when we use the word formyl, carbon of the aldehyde is included in the name. Let us try to do that. For that, we should number the parent chain again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we should stop at 6 because this whole thing will be called by the name formyl, that is sitting on 6th carbon, so 6-formyl. On 4th position, we have same functional group, that is 4-hydroxy. Between hydroxy and formyl, formyl comes first in the alphabetical order. So secondary prefix will be 6-formyl, 4-hydroxy. Root word is hex. Primary suffix is 5-ene. Secondary suffix is oic acid. For the same reason, we have to drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC name will be 6-formyl 4-hydroxy hex 5-enoic acid. Here we have amide, ketone, alkene and halogen functional groups. Amide is having higher priority, so this becomes the suffix. Remaining functional groups will act as prefixes. Coming to the parent chain, if we start from this carbon, at this junction, moving to the left we get 2 carbons, moving to the right we get 3 carbons. So this is the longest possible carbon chain. If we start numbering, we have a methyl sitting on nitrogen. So name of this prefix will be N-methyl. On second carbon, we are having 2 carbon along with the chlorine. To find out the name of this, we should give number 1 to the carbon which is attached to the parent chain. So, name of this prefix will be on position 2 inside the bracket 2-chloroethyl. For carbonyl oxygen, it is 3-oxo. Double bond will be addressed in primary suffix. Between these three prefixes, alphabetically, 2-chloroethyl comes first, then N-methyl, then 3-oxo. So secondary prefix will be 2-chloroethyl, N-methyl, 3-oxo. Root word is pent. Primary suffix is -ine, that is at position 4. Secondary suffix is amide. We have to drop the E of primary suffix. IUPAC name will be 2,2-chloroethyl, N-methyl, 3-oxo, pent 4-enamide. Next lecture will be on IUPAC nomenclature of benzene and related compounds. Thank you.